Hello, my name is Matthias and today I want to talk to you about 3D metal printing for satellite applications. Most of you already know what 3D printing is capable of. Simple parts like brackets demonstrated significant advantages of the technology like lightweight designs, increased stiffness and reduced stress while fulfilling the requested mechanical properties. But have you ever thought of printing more functional parts like this sample of a RF aluminum antenna that is used in the Ka band for satellite communication? The TRUMPF 2000 allows printing with exceptional geometrical accuracy, fine detail resolution, like wall thickness of around 100 micron and great surface roughness. And your imagination doesn't have to stop here. Even amorphous or refractory metals can be processed on the system. We are ready for your application challenge. At TRUMPF, we are proud of our history, covering almost 100 years as a machine tool manufacturer and using the laser as a tool for more than 40 years. Feel free to contact us and learn how your company can benefit from our product portfolio and application know-how.